Hi buddies, welcome back, and today I'm going to show you how you can update apps on your Google Pixel 8. Maybe there's something that bothers you, maybe it lacks something, maybe, I don't know, there's something wrong with it, whatever it is. You can go to your Play Store and then go back until you can click on your account. You want to do that, and then you want to go to Manage Apps and Device. And here you see updates, 1 update in progress and 7 installs in progress. You can click on it and you can see all the updates that are ongoing. And then you also see all the other apps that are ready for an update. I'm just gonna close a couple of them just to make it easier. If you want to update an app now, you can click on update, and then you see that little circle around it. It's installing, and then it's gone, and you have 46 updates left. You can also say to update all to get it done in one shot, but you can also just update the app that you would like, well, to update. Then you can go back, and then hopefully your app is running smoothly again and you don't have any future problems with it. So that's how you can check for updates for your apps on your Google Pixel 8. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.